Alright, I guess tonight, it's 11 o'clock at night. Tonight's the night when we're going to start putting the turbo in the Civic. Or, well, mocking it up. Let me correct myself. We're mocking it to put it in the Civic. We're just going to see if it all fits right. I mean, I already have the D16 in there. And, you know, this is the one that came in the car, but obviously this is not the one we're turbocharging. It's got a lot of miles on it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the turbo on there. I'm going to run the charge piping. I'm going to get it mounted. Get it all, like, plumbed up. And then take it all back out. And then put the new motor together. And then put the new motor in here. And then once I get it in there, put the turbo back on it. And yeah, pretty much we'll just have it all kind of squared away ahead of time. So this is where we're at with it. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're going to take this bumper support and we're going to cut it out to fit my intercooler, and what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to tuck it in there as clean as we can, as far back as we can, so it's not out in the open and visible for everyone to see. So we got some cutting tools and we're going to go to town, so we'll let you know how that goes. So I did get the charge piping mocked up. I wound up having to cut the bumper support. Not a big deal. I kind of expected that was going to be the case. I apologize for not getting video of that. I kind of got excited and got ahead of myself. So now we're on the teardown. We're going to remove this engine. And obviously we got all the charge piping and the intercooler and everything removed. We're going to remove this engine and transmission and prep it for the new engine and transmission that we got coming. That should be here by the end of the week, I'm told, by headquarters machine shop. So I'm looking forward to getting that back and putting it together. Hopefully by this weekend I'll at least have the motor put together, and we'll have a majority of the engine bay mocked up for what we need, pulled everything out, and get it maybe even painted. We'll see how it goes. But that's where we're at. Hopefully we can get this knocked out by this weekend. At least get the motor put together.
Here goes the old motor.
Yeah, it's over. It's got to go. So out with the old, in with the new.
I'ma show how the world is with me. I could show you.
a bite of me. Give your best to me. I just wanna be something in your mind, something on the side. Hey, take a bite of me. Take the best of me. I will let you see, we can go so high if you make your mind. Take a bite of me. Give your best to me. I just wanna be something in your mind, something on the side. Hey. I am running out of time, keep stepping out of line. Baby, I'm not feeling fine. Little bones can't help but feel alone. See, every time the beat try to hold me back, I feel it coming on really strong. I can hold it too. Won't you tell me what's going on? I wasn't afraid to start the fight. I was just afraid of the fall. Now I'm not afraid anymore. Take a little part of me for everyone to see. I don't know who I should be. You are the key to set me free. Hit the sound of my heart, see the